The world of premium compact cameras just got an upgrade. The Leica Q4 is finally here. Known for its iconic design, legendary image quality, and timeless appeal, the Q4 takes everything we loved about the Q series and makes it even better. With a brand new 60MP full-frame sensor, upgraded autofocus, 8K video, improved stabilization, and stunning low-light performance, this camera is built for creators who demand the best. In this video, we're covering everything you need to know about the Leica Q4, from its refined design and next-level tech to its price, accessories, and weather. It's worth the upgrade. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're into street photography, travel shoots, or just love the craftsmanship of Leica, stay tuned, because the Q4 is set to impress. The world of premium compact cameras just got a lot more exciting because the Leica Q4 is finally here, and it's already generating buzz among photographers and enthusiasts alike. Known for its minimalist design, legendary image quality, and timeless appeal, the Leica Q series has carved out a special place in the hearts of street photographers, travel shooters, and anyone who appreciates the charm of a fixed-lens full-frame camera. With the Q4, Leica continues its tradition of blending iconic aesthetics with cutting-edge technology to create a camera that feels as inspiring to hold as it is powerful to shoot with. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the Leica Q4, including its brand new sensor, upgraded autofocus system, refined ergonomics, video capabilities, improved connectivity, and whether it's worth upgrading from previous Q series models. If you've been curious about Leica's latest release or are looking for a camera that merges luxury with performance, the Q4 is set to impress. Leica has always been synonymous with understated elegance, and the Q4's design stays true to that philosophy. At first glance, it retains the minimalist, sleek body shape that the Q series is famous for, a design that feels both timeless and distinctly modern. The magnesium alloy chassis and anodized aluminum top plate give it a sturdy yet lightweight feel, making it an ideal companion for long days of street photography or travel. One of the most noticeable refinements is the enhanced grip contour, which improves comfort during handheld shooting sessions. Leica has also slightly reworked the control dials to make them more tactile and intuitive, ensuring photographers can adjust key settings without taking their eyes off the subject. The shutter button has a smoother response, adding to the premium shooting experience. Additionally, the rear LCD screen has been upgraded to a 3.5-inch tilting touchscreen with higher resolution and brightness, making it much easier to compose shots in bright sunlight or awkward angles. The electronic viewfinder, EVF, has also seen a significant boost, now featuring a 5.76 OLED panel with a faster refresh rate for lifelike previews and minimal lag. The heart of the Leica Q4 is its new 60-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, a substantial upgrade from the 47.3 MP sensor in the previous Q2 model. This leap in resolution allows photographers to capture astonishing levels of detail, making the Q4 an excellent choice for large-format prints and heavy cropping without compromising image quality. The new sensor is paired with Leica's latest Maestro 4 image processor, which significantly improves dynamic range, color rendering, and overall responsiveness. Whether you're shooting vibrant cityscapes, dramatic landscapes, or subtle portraits, the Q4 delivers rich tones and stunning clarity straight out of the camera. Low light performance has also improved thanks to the sensor